Hello, this is our part 2 video on accessing content on MUSOMI. So what you need to know is your username and the password that you use to access your student portal is going to be the same username and password that you will key in to access your MUSOMI e-learning platform. And the best thing to do is you'll need to go through your use the student portal to access the e-learning portal. There is a link on one of the important links, so just go through there to access your student portal. So key in your username, and then put in your password right there. Then once you have keyed in, you need to click on log in. So when you click on login, okay, you get to your dashboard. We had seen this earlier. You get to your dashboard, and this is just how a typical dashboard would look like. The courses that you have registered in are going to appear there under My Courses tab. Then you'll be able to see a course overview of some of the courses that you have enrolled into. And then on the right-hand side, we have got the timeline. What I mentioned as the timeline, it is going to give you links that are, it is going to give you dates and also links that are going to be telling you which activities are due for that particular moment. And then I had mentioned about the calendar right there. When you click on the calendar, you will be able to see uh, what activities are due as per the dates. Okay, so it can be able just to give you an overview of all the activities within all your courses that are due within the dates. So just in case you can be able to see such links appearing, make sure that you are able to go in and view. So I just want us to go back to our dashboard here, get into one of the courses, what you would see as a typical content in a course. An example is this, one of the courses here. This is the content that you'll be seeing in your course. You'll be able to see week 1, okay, content within week 1, depending on how your content has been arranged. So I can be able to click week 1 there, and I can be able to access the content for week 1. I'll be able to access the content for week 1. So this is what you will need to be clicking as you access the content. Every of these links appearing in this week 1 is a link that you will need to be clicking in order to access the content for week 1. For example, announcements. Announcements are going to be sent to you through this tab. Announcements sent to you will always come to your emails through. So you can as well be able to view your announcements just by clicking on this tab to be able to view what announcements are running for the day. Then also remember, you will need to be going through each and every content appearing there. So once you go through every content, if at all it is actually being tracked so that you can be able to view your progress, then you will need to view every content. And content appears in that particular manner. You can be able to read through, even using the Moodle app, your mobile app, okay? So you can be able to go through. Then make sure that if at all you will be able to see any to-do list, anything that you need to do, please make sure that you read it and act on it appropriately. In case they're reading tasks, again, make sure that you can be able to follow the links as seen there. And then if at all it is going to be a video, you'll be able to find a video that is embedded in that particular way. So you can be able to click on the video and then make sure once you have watched the video, before watching the video, make sure that you have read the instructions related to that particular video as indicated there. How do you navigate back to the main page of your video? Not of your video, sorry, but of the course. We have got what I would call breadcrumbs appearing here. So click on this. It is going to get you back to the main page. Otherwise, thank you so much. That is just how you can be able to access content on your MUSOMI e-learning platform. Thank you so much.